Welcome back to Let's Talk Taxes. Today, we're diving deep with Tax Service LLC, and hopefully you guys can glean some valuable insights on maximizing those tax refunds for your clients.
Sounds good to me.
All right, so we're going to be pulling some wisdom from the Freedom Group's YouTube video titled, How to Get a Bigger Tax Refund. 7 expert tips.
Okay.
Get ready to uncover some hidden gems.
All right. I'm ready.
Maybe even learn a trick or two to boost those refunds.
Love it.
All right, so first up is filing early.
Okay.
Now, I know Tax Service, you guys are pros.
Yeah.
This isn't exactly breaking news.
Right.
But it's always worth highlighting for clients, right?
Absolutely. It's not just about avoiding that end of tax season rush, though. That is a big part of it.
Sure.
Filing early reduces errors significantly, and believe me, I've seen a lot of those from last-minute filers, plus quicker refunds and less chance of identity theft. It's a win-win-win.
Absolutely. So let's talk deductions.
Okay.
These are the bread and butter of lowering that taxable income. What are some commonly missed deductions you see in your practice?
You know, a lot of clients overlook the home office deduction, especially those who are freelancers or have side gigs. They might not realize their dedicated workspace qualifies, or they get tripped up on those square footage requirements
Right.
and calculating those eligible expenses.
Yeah, it can be tricky.
It can be. We also see missed opportunities with student loan interest.
Oh, interesting.
A lot of people don't realize that deduction is phased out based on income, so they might assume they don't qualify without even checking.
It's like a puzzle, finding those perfect pieces to fit.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's jump to tax credits. Those dollar-for-dollar reductions in tax owes. Any hidden gems in that department?
The child tax credit is one we see confusion around. It's not just about having kids. There are income limits, and it can interact with other credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit in complex ways. Really understanding those nuances can make a huge difference for families.
It's all about the details, right?
Yes, definitely.
Now, here's one I bet your clients ask about all the time. Go
Okay.
through for withholdings.
Yeah.
What's your take on helping people find that sweet spot between a bigger refund and not owing too much?
So many people are intimidated by adjusting their W-4s. They see it as this big, scary IRS form.
Right.
But it's really about making sure the right amount of tax is being withheld throughout the year. I like to walk my client through the IRS withholding estimator
Oh, that's smart.
and show them how different scenarios can play out. It really empowers them.
It's about control, right?
Exactly.
Speaking of planning for the future, let's not forget those tax benefits of retirement contributions.
Yes. What's really fascinating here is the long-term perspective. Contributing to a traditional IRA or a 401k lowers your taxable income now. But what's really exciting is seeing those savings grow over time, building a nest egg that benefits your clients for years to come.
It's a gift that keeps on giving.
It really is.
Now, sometimes all this tax stuff can get overwhelming,
Oh, yeah.
especially for those with complex situations like self-employment or investments. I imagine that's where a trusted tax professional really shines.
You hit the nail on the head. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the individual's financial goals, exploring different strategies, and making sure they're not leaving any money on the table. It's that personalized guidance that makes a real difference.
Couldn't agree more. Now, last but not least, a tip that's essential for everyone, good record keeping. I'm sure you have some stories about what not to do.
Oh, where did I even begin? Shoeboxes full of receipts, crumpled bank statements. I've seen it all.
Oh, I bet.
But seriously, organized records are the foundation of a smooth tax filing process.
Yeah.
It's about empowering clients to take ownership of their financial information and feel confident when tax season rolls around.
So, Tax Service, this deep dive has been packed with insights. I hope you're feeling ready to help your clients maximize those refunds.
Absolutely, we are. It's all about staying informed, digging into those details, and always looking for ways to help clients achieve their financial goals.
I love it. And for anyone listening who needs expert tax help, be sure to check out DeMoreTaxService.com.
Yes!
Thanks for tuning in to Let's Talk Taxes podcast.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time.
That sounds good.
Bye.